Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to be doing a decorate with me like Christmas decor. We're going to be putting up our Christmas tree, and I'm going to be putting this space right here, as you can see back here. We were trying to figure out if we want to put it right there or over there. Say hi.
I can see myself.
Okay, so for time and video sake, I'm just going to not be talking, and you're just going to be seeing us decorate, and then we'll come back at the end of the video to show you some things that we got new and what was old or whatever, because I have quite a few decorations to put out, and I'm also cooking our dinner and trying to do this, so I don't know if I will be able to get everything done today, but just keep on watching. Okay guys, this is the tree so far. I haven't got lights on it. I ended up having to do the tree by myself because people had mishaps. She cut her foot on the bottom of the metal piece, so we may need to get stitches. I'm trying to see if the bleeding is going to stop, which it has stopped, right, Damara?
I think.
Yeah. So, and I was trying to cook dinner and I burnt rice. So yeah, we're gonna combine, but I will come back to you guys after we get the lights and get it decorated, since we have so much going on. And then I'm also going to be decorating my coffee bar. Let's see what I have to go up here. Yeah, we took down the Thanksgiving stuff, and we're just going to do like a Christmas coffee bar. And we bought, where did it go? And we bought this to go on top of the coffee bar, so we'll see what this looks like. And I picked this up we got this at Walmart, right, Damara?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, so we picked this up at Walmart, and we're gonna see how that looks.
Yourself a merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Okay, so this is the coffee bar. This is what we have so far. It still looks like it needs something else. I'm trying to figure out what that could be. And I think it's because I had something right here in this area for Thanksgiving, so we might have to get like a sign or something. But I just have, of course, the Keurig, and then we have our marshmallows, our hot chocolate cake cups, and then I just keep my regular stuff that I use. This is just some green matcha tea, which is very good. And then back here we just keep another tea. This is the peach flavor, which is very good. Yep, so this is what we have so far. And then I just have a little tree right here, which really the colors on it is just this plaid, and I had black balls, and then the glitter balls, and then we had some bows. My daughter said it does kind of go with the coffee bar, because I really didn't want to go out and buy a whole lot of stuff, so it was just kind of throw some things together. But this is what we have so far, and yeah, we'll be back with y'all when we get some other stuff decorated. Okay, y'all, we did not come back and finish decorating because my husband came home with all this stuff to doctor up Damara's foot. So we will be back in another vlog to show you guys all the decorations that we did for our house. So we will catch you guys in the next video.